What's up guys, welcome to another video. What I'm about to do is for a great cause. Let's do this. Absolutely breathtaking. This is incredible, guys. Stop the war, help Australia. Let's raise money. I did this for a good cause. Spread awareness by these beautiful pyramids in Egypt. Egypt, I love you. No disrespect to you. I just want to bring awareness to the world. We need to help Australia. Millions of people, millions of animals are lost. Millions of people are hurting. People losing homes. People need water. The firefighters, they all need our help. Let's do something, guys. Let's do it. Stop war and help Australia. The link in the description below. Let's keep donating. Australia needs our help. I love all my fans around the world. Australia, I love you. I love you. I love everybody. We're all equal. Stop the war. Let's all be happy with what Mother Nature provided us. Just look at this. Why can't we have peace? Peace from Middle East. I love everybody. I'm gonna go climb down because I think they're sending helicopters for me. Uh-oh, got military. Guys, I will explain in the next video what happened to me, but I just wanted to let you know, live your dreams to the fullest. It's your life, your choice. Do whatever you want. I don't want to curse because I'm in the Holy Land. I love you so much, world. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Mother Nature, for bringing me to this incredible life. Stop the war, stop the hate. We're all equal. Thank you so much for watching. Go donate. I love you guys. Till next time. До свидания. I got it. I'm not gonna run.